Unwrapping the phrase, hand it to someone. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, hand it to someone. This phrase is a gem in everyday English, carrying a meaning that goes beyond its literal words. It's essential for English language learners to grasp these nuances for more fluent and expressive communication. Let's explore together what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and see some examples in action. At first glance, hand it to someone might seem like a simple action, to physically give something to another person. However, in a figurative sense, it takes on a different meaning. To hand it to someone means to acknowledge or give credit to someone for their skill, effort, or achievement, often despite difficulties or one's own feelings. It's a way of expressing admiration or respect for what someone has accomplished. Understanding how to use hand it to someone in conversation can greatly enhance your English fluency. This phrase is often used when you're impressed by someone's actions or achievements and want to acknowledge that. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. Example sentences: I have to hand it to you, that was a fantastic presentation. You have to hand it to her, she managed to complete the project on time despite all the setbacks. Notice how the phrase can be adapted by changing the pronoun to suit the context. While hand it to someone is a popular phrase, there are other expressions with similar meanings that can enrich your English expression. Give credit where credit is due emphasizes the fairness in acknowledging someone's contributions. Tip one's hat is another idiomatic expression used to show respect or admiration for someone's achievements. Understanding these variations helps you appreciate the richness of English expressions and choose the most appropriate one for your context. Today, we've uncovered the layers behind the phrase, hand it to someone, exploring its meaning, usage, and variations. Incorporating such expressions into your language will not only boost your English fluency but also help you convey respect and admiration more effectively. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master is a step forward. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!